think that looks good?
Yes.
Guys, it's Shay'auna Alexis. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel because you didn't have to, but you did. And today I have baby Hazleigh. You ready, Haze? All right. Ooh, look at all this makeup. Yes. Where should I start, Haze? Wait. I'm gonna bring it to you, okay? Okay. Okay, Hazleigh, this is foundation.
Yes.
Say foundation.
Foundation.
Haze, what do we do first? Are you gonna help Shay? Alright, squeeze this out with your hands. Now do this side. You did so good! Like this. Here, let me show you. Ready? Ooh. Like that. See? Alright, you do it. Alright, do the other side. Good job. You're doing so good, Haze. Alright, you ready?
Foundation.
You got it?
Yes.
You gotta press it. Is it coming out?
Yes.
Here, you hold the brush. You hold the blender. Alright. Now we gotta dab it back on Shay's face. Yeah? Eyebrows? Good choice. Can you see me? Ooh. You see that? You wanna do it? Oh my goodness. Yes. Here. I'm gonna let you do the highlight.
This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep where they staying. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite.
You want me to do lipstick?
Yes.
Okay. You look bored. Am I boring you? I'm boring you? Ooh. You like that one better? Oh! Here, let me see. A highlighter or should I contour? Highlighter? Put it on your nose. Ooh. Snatched. You did that.
Yeah.
Look, see? Oh my goodness. You want highlighter? You can have highlighter. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Snatched. Look at your nose. Look at you. Ooh. Thank you so much. I think that's exactly what I needed. It has glitter on it. It's so cute. I really like that, Haze. What do you think? Did I do a good job? See how pretty you are? You don't even need all the makeup. You see that? See?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes.
Kinda, sorta. I think it's a kinda, sorta to you. Oh, you did so good. What highlighter do we use, Haze? Say Fenty. Fenty. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.